Common English phrases for daily use.
Is there any restaurant nearby? Is there any restaurant nearby?
Yes, there is a restaurant nearby. Yes, there is a restaurant nearby.
Would you like to go to an Italian restaurant? Would you like to go to an Italian restaurant?
No, I'd like to go to an Indian restaurant. I love Indian food. No, I'd like to go to an Indian restaurant. I love Indian food.
You can eat Italian or Chinese food. You can eat Italian or Chinese food.
Give me a cup of coffee, please. Give me a cup of coffee, please.
Give me a glass of water, please. Give me a glass of water, please.
Let me check the menu. Let me check the menu.
Can I have a menu, please? Can I have a menu, please?
What are you going to have? What are you going to have?
What would you like to drink? What would you like to drink?
I'd like to drink orange juice. I'd like to drink orange juice.
What would you like to eat? What would you like to eat?
Would you like a glass of soft drink? Would you like a glass of soft drink?
Would you like coffee or tea? Would you like coffee or tea?
Would you like some salad? Would you like some salad?
Would you like something to drink? Would you like something to drink?
I would like a table for four near the window. I would like a table for four near the window.
What have you got for dinner? What have you got for dinner?
Bring me a plate and spoon. Bring me a plate and spoon.
I'm starving. I'm starving.
I feel very thirsty. I feel very thirsty.
What are you going to cook tonight? What are you going to cook tonight?
I'm very hungry. I'm very hungry.
Dinner is ready. Dinner is ready.
Will you have dessert? Will you have dessert?
Help yourself, please. Help yourself, please.
What vegetables would you like? What vegetables would you like? Will you have some cake? Will you have some cake?
Do you like vegetables? Do you like vegetables?
Yes, I like vegetables a lot. Yes, I like vegetables a lot.
What will you have first, soup or vegetables? What will you have first, soup or vegetables?
What would you like? What would you like?
Have you eaten yet? Have you eaten yet?
I have already eaten lunch. I have already eaten lunch.
Which one do you want? Which one do you want?
Have you ever had bitter gourd soup? Have you ever had bitter gourd soup?
She likes juice but doesn't like milk. She likes juice but doesn't like milk.
Here is your salad. Here is your salad.
How does it taste? How does it taste?
It's mouth-watering and delicious. It's mouth-watering and delicious.
How many people are there in the party? How many people are there in the party?
I haven't finished eating yet. I haven't finished eating yet.
The food was delicious. The food was delicious.
There are some apples in the refrigerator. There are some apples in the refrigerator.
Give me a cup of tea, please. Give me a cup of tea, please.
I would like to drink a pineapple juice. I would like to drink a pineapple juice.
Would you like some cake anymore? Would you like some cake anymore?
No, thanks, I'm full. No, thanks, I'm full.
I had a great time with you. I had a great time with you.
I'm still hungry. I'm still hungry.
What are the new dishes today? What are the new dishes today?
I'm hungry since morning. I'm hungry since morning.
The food is stale. The food is stale.
I'm fasting. I'm fasting.
How are the dishes? How are the dishes?
Taste the curry. Taste the curry.
I eat out twice a week. I eat out twice a week.
Let's eat out today. Let's eat out today.
Will you make tea for me? Will you make tea for me?
I'll have some tea. I'll have some tea.
The food is very hot. The food is very hot.
I'm on diet. I'm on diet.
I like egg yolk. I like egg yolk.
I can't eat any more. I can't eat any more.
Serve the breakfast. Serve the breakfast.
Pass me the pickles. Pass me the pickles.
Add more salt to the curry. Add more salt to the curry.
Fry the egg. Fry the egg.
Have you finished cooking? Have you finished cooking?
Wash your hands first. Wash your hands first.
I'm used to eat rice. I'm used to eat rice.
I feel hungry. I feel hungry.
I have had my breakfast. I have had my breakfast.
Food has been served. Food has been served.
Have a little more. Have a little more.
I'm a vegetarian. I'm a vegetarian.
I'm a non-vegetarian. I'm a non-vegetarian.
Don't drink water on an empty stomach. Don't drink water on an empty stomach.
Give me a little more gravy. Give me a little more gravy.
These fried potatoes are tasty. These fried potatoes are tasty.
Keep your stomach a bit empty while eating. Keep your stomach a bit empty while eating.
This dish tastes bad. This dish tastes bad.
Would you like seafood or beef? Would you like seafood or beef?
I had toast and eggs for breakfast today. I had toast and eggs for breakfast today. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.